පූජනීය මහා සංඝරත්නයන් අවසරයි සද්ධා සම්පන්න පින්වතුනි අද කටින මහා පූජෝත්සවය සිද්ධ වෙන දවසේ තවත් ඉතා වැදගත් සත්කාරයක් වෙනුවෙන් එයට අතහිත දුන්න අපකැප වුණ ඒ වගේම එය සංවිධානය කර පින්වතුන් වෙනුවෙන් ඒ අයට කෘතගුණ සැලකීමක් වශයෙන් සහතික ප්‍රදානයක් සිද්ධ කරන්නටයි සූදානම් වෙන්නේ. ජෝර්ජියා බෞද්ධ විහාරස්ථානයේ ජූලි මාසේ 25 වෙනිදා හෙල්ත් ෆෙයා වැඩසටහනක් සංවිධානය කරලා බොහෝ අය වෙනුවෙන් තමන්ගේ දැනුම ඒ වගේ මේ හැකියාවන් ඉදිරිපත් කරමින් ඒ බොහෝ පිරිසකට වෛද්‍ය පරීක්ෂණයක් නැත්නම් වෛද්‍ය පරීක්ෂණ කර ගැනීම සඳහා අවකාශ ලබා දුන්නා. ඉතින් ඒ සඳහා වෛද්‍යවරු ඒ වගේම හෙද නිලධාරීන් ඒ වගේම පින්වතුන් හැමදෙනාම තමන්ගේ කාලය ශ්‍රමය ධනය වැය කරමින් ඒ එක්තරා විදියක මහා පින්කමක් වශයෙන් එය සිද්ධ කරන්නට යෙදුනා. ඉතින් ඒ වෙනුවෙන් විශේෂයෙන් ඒ සංවිධානය කිරීමෙහිලා ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන් මහාචාර්ය යුනිල් පෙරේරා මහත්මයා ඒ වගේම වජිර බෝධි හාමුදුරන් වහන්සේ දීපංකර හාමුදුරන් වහන්සේ ප්‍රධාන ඒ හාමුදුරන් වහන්සේලාගේ උපදෙස් අවවාද ඇතුව ඒ වගේම අපේ පින්වතුන්ගෙත් උපදෙස් අවවාද සහ උදව්පකාර ඇතුව ඒ ඊට හොඳින් සංවිධානය කරලා සංවිධානය කිරීමෙන් එය මහත් ප්‍රතිඵල ගෙන දෙන විදියට ඒ කාරණය සිද්ධ වුණා. ඉතින් ඒකට කළගුණ සැලකීමක් වශයෙන් තමයි දැන් මේ අවස්ථාව අපි ගත කරන්නේ. So we are going to notify all the supporters, helpers, doctors, nurses that who contributed for the health fair on July 25th. So we are going to recognize them and giving certification for them. It is just nothing of certificate, but just to appreciate of their voluntary works. So Dr. Krishna and many doctors, I don't want to mention all the names. I think Professor Yunil Pereira maybe mentioned all the in details. But now in this time, so we are going to recognize them and appreciate of all the supporters and helpers and hope that we can organize similar program in the future. And I would like to invite Professor Yunil Pereira for further explanation.
Avasarai Hamdruane. So the Bante Vajirabuddhi mentioned a little bit about that, and he thanked a couple of monks. But very first time when I thought about that, I talked to Buddhi Hamdruo. He was in Sri Lanka. He immediately said, "That's a great idea. We need to do that. So why don't you talk to Bodhi Hamdruo and arrange things?" So I talked to Bodhi Hamdruo. He agreed. And then I talked to Deepankara Hamdruo, and he also was supporting me continuously. And in fact, myself, Deepankara Hamdruo and Piyananda Hamdruo went around and put the notices and all that too. But this was a deal which a lot of people participated, not me or priest. A lot of others participated in that, and that is why we are doing this today. So we had 6 doctors who participated in the program. We have 2 present here, Dr. Indrakrishnan, Dr. Harsha. In fact, Dr. Harsha is the first doctor I talked to when I got the approval from the monks and deciding on that. So the other doctors who were participants, but they are not here, unfortunately. 2 of the doctors are working today, Dr. Lihini and Dr. H.P. Gunawardana, Lihini Luke. Those 2 are working, and Dr. Arundhati is unfortunately not feeling well, and Dr. Nilani Kulkarni said she had to be in Florida for a wedding because we did some other projects, so we sort of postponed this for some time until we are done with the other project. By the time we are sure that we could do this today, it was too late, so that's why the doctors are very busy people, so that's the problem. And also, we have a lot of people who are recognizing today, but out of those people, I want to mention a couple of names, especially because they were very helpful in this one. So, first 2 I want to mention is the 2 families who were involved in the Katina, or the main organizers of the Katina, Manjula Dashima and Jinath and Hasini. So, in fact, we had the health fair just after the Katina invitation. So, the next day. So, it was a busy day, but when I mentioned to them, they readily agreed and they participated, and Jinath was very helpful using all the things, the web page and all that. And another person who was working throughout from the beginning and also involved, helping a lot in our other project is Jivaka. He is here. So I want to thank them, and I also want to emphasize that although this is a Buddhist temple, we had Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, everybody participating in that. Not only that, not only Sinhalese people. Miss Dang Chao, and she was very helpful, and some of the others, youngsters, I think Arjun Kulkarni and Amanda Kao. So those people came and volunteered for us, and they helped. So that was a great thing, and I really appreciate your support. And I just forgot, now I remember, Lilia Hilger. So that is another nurse who came to know about this from Harsha and volunteered even before we asked her. So thanks to all of you, but we can start the program now. So maybe I will ask, maybe you need another mic, or you have another, right? So first I will ask Dr. Harsha Navaratna to come up and accept our token of appreciation. So I know that this is nothing for you. This is not valuable thing, but just our appreciation. Now I would like to invite Dr. Indran. Now I'm going to call names for the other people. So can you please come up and take these certificates? Dang Nguyen is Lilia Hilger. So another person I forgot to mention before is our Kumara. Since he is always there for everything, we usually forget about his name. But he was one of the main people in everything we do, not only this one. So Kumara, so you should. So can I ask I want to release our Katina group, so let me ask Manjula, Dashima to come up and also Santoshi, so that all three of you can go back to your other duties. Manjula, Dashima and Santoshi. Then I would like to invite Jinath and Hasini. Jinath. Suresha and Dilhan Fernando. Nevinka Vikramanayaka and Nisanga Vikramanayaka. Sudanti Chandraratna and Kaushi. Savani. Venura, Sharani and Tanya. Nisala and Emil Jagoda. Is Deepal or Prasadi here? I think Samaravira family is, Deepal, come up. You can give this to your two kids. So I think Samaravira family is not here, but I think I saw brother Kosala. Is Kosala or Kosala's family? Anybody is here? No. Okay. Jivaka. So Jivaka will take all the certificates for the family. So if I have missed anybody who was a helper, I'm deeply sorry. I take the full responsibility for that. So please let me know. I will correct that mistake. So if anybody did not get a certificate or I did not mention your name, please let me know. I think we are done. So we can have another program at... Yeah, so I think maybe, yeah, if all the volunteers who were getting the certificates and the appreciation, if we can come up and take a photo with the group of monks, that would be great. Thank you.